Check out our old wooden picket fencing. It's been exposed to the elements for over 7 years. Some of the slats are in major need of TLC. So let's see how we can repair the decayed wooden slats using 3C's 2-part resin wood repair. Using an electric sander, sand off any flaky paint and loose debris. First, pour a small amount of one of the 2-part primer kit into a tub. Then add the same ratio from the second bottle. Mix it well with a small paintbrush and start to apply it into the affected areas, trying to cover all of the bare wood that needs repairing. Leave this to dry for about 30 minutes. Then you can start to mix up the 2-part resin wood repair. This is easier if you have a dual cartridge gun. If not, a single one will work. Just measure both parts A and B to the same ratio. Mix it well until both parts are the same colour. And start to apply into the affected areas using a flat spatula, pushing the resin deep into the voids, making sure there are no cavities unfilled or leaving any air pockets behind the resin. Wipe the spatula clean using 3C's silicone wipes. Now you can smoothen off the resin you've applied. The flatter and smoother that you can get your resin whilst it's still wet reduces sanding time when it's dry. Once it's completely dry, which I normally leave it overnight, before starting to sand it down using an electric sander. Continue to do this until the surface is nice and smooth and you feel it's ready to be painted or varnished. Most paints and varnish adheres well to the resin. And there you have it, all wooden fence slats, repaired and ready to be exposed to the elements for the next 10 years. 3C's 2-part resin wood repair can be purchased directly from Sealants online, Amazon and eBay. For more information on the wide range of 3C's products, head straight over to their website